What if the key to better health, more energy, less bloating, and fewer cravings was sitting quietly in your kitchen? Not some exotic herb, not a rare superfood, just cinnamon. Simple, familiar, yet powerful. We sprinkle it on oatmeal, dust it over lattes, but drinking it, that's where the magic happens. Stick with me. By the time this video ends, you'll wonder why you haven't been sipping cinnamon tea every single day. For thousands of years, cinnamon wasn't just a spice, it was a treasure. Ancient Egyptians prized it. Traditional Chinese medicine called it a warming remedy, something to stoke the body's inner fire. And now, science agrees. Yet here we are battling fatigue, craving sugar, and chasing quick fixes. All the while, this little stick of bark holds answers we overlook. Every day, millions of people feel run down and sluggish. They try everything: supplements, diets, and endless green juices. But the cycle repeats. They're exhausted, still stuck. But what if the solution wasn't complicated? What if a simple cup of tea could shift things? Cinnamon isn't just flavor, it is fuel for your body. But when we forget that, we miss out on its full power. Drinking it daily will therefore help balance blood sugar and calm those relentless cravings. You might think tea is too gentle, but the compounds in cinnamon work hard behind the scenes, fighting inflammation and ultimately speeding up your metabolism. Ignore it to stay caught in that spiral of highs and lows. Sip it, and things start to change. Let's break it down. 3 reasons why cinnamon tea deserves a place in your daily routine. 1. Cinnamon crushes sugar cravings and stabilizes energy. Ever feel that 3 p.m. crash? The one that whispers and pushes you to want to eat something. Cinnamon tea is like a quiet bodyguard for your blood sugar. It helps regulate insulin, smoothing out energy spikes. But if you skip it, those cravings will keep creeping in. Therefore, 1 cup in the morning sets you up for steadier energy all day. 2. It fights inflammation. Inflammation isn't loud. It simmers in your joints, your gut, and your skin. Left unchecked, it weighs you down. Cinnamon, rich in antioxidants, goes straight to the source. Sipping on cinnamon tea daily cools things off, easing your body back into balance. 3. Boosts metabolism gently. Crash diets slow you down. They might work for a moment, but eventually they backfire. Cinnamon? It's different. It nudges your metabolism forward, naturally and steadily. But skip it, and progress stalls. Therefore, a warm cup after meals keeps that inner fire burning. Now here's the question. When is the last time you used cinnamon for more than baking? It's simple. It's there. And it's ready to work for you. Brew that tea today. Feel the difference tomorrow. If this video sparked something for you, hit like and subscribe. Sometimes the best remedies are hiding in plain sight, and we are here to help you find them.